Ah!
What happened?
I had the perfect shot.
And you
just
ran out.
to know
and then
I was out of ammo.
the sad clicks of sadness, yeah.
Ugh.
I'm technically using one hand or one controller, but I'm using two hands, same. One-handed snipers are not that good.
Yeah, they really aren't.
I might hear a suppressor. I think it's a sniper.
Got him.
Yeah, it takes so long for shots to like travel.
I mean, it's not our fault, technically. I mean, it kind of is because we chose this spot, but we'll roll with it.
Yeah, we'll roll with it. My name is Suka. Welcome to Jack.
Yeah. These damn helicopters coming in. One is trying to get on the hill.
Oh, the hill with that little.
He's running in zigzag. Yeah, this dude's just trying to piss us off.
Whoa! They have a sniper.
I don't care. These guys are failing miserably.
But we are too, so don't bother them.
Oh yeah, there's a sniper on the hill now. Headshot.
Good kill.
Yeah, I killed him. From the hill?
No, shooting range. The fence.
I can't aim for shit. It's because of the freaking delay. I think the guy at the hill respawned. Never mind. Oh, hello there, fine feller.
Ah, yes. Using an LMG. How nice.
Where are we getting shot from? Oh, I see now.
Shooting range.
Got him.
So I'm not in the video, but it's just basically the two, just sniping some people on a server. So yeah, nothing special.